Can you believe it's already the end of February, almost March? And you know what that means? Cars and coffees and car shows are upon us, and I gotta get ready. Now this mod I've already installed on my 2022 Honda Civic. Black Diamond, she needs it too. And that's hood struts. My man Alan reached out to me, he's an Amazon seller, and asked if I'd be willing to make a video on a set of these, and I said, sure, because you know what? I was intending on buying them anyway. So thank you, Alan. The link will be down in the description if you guys choose to try these out yourself. This will be a very easy install. We're going to take this guy right here. We're going to put him in this second hole right here. We're going to take this little bracket. It is marked L for left. The other one is marked R for right. We're going to cover this hole right here. Then we're going to take this bolt. We're going to tuck it up under here and put the nut on it. So these shocks have these little springs. Can you see them right here? So what you need to do is you need to take it, pull it back so it comes out, and then it slides out. And then once you put this on, you slide that back in, fold it back around again. Same thing with the other side. The only things you'll need is a 13mm or a 1/2 inch socket and a 13mm or a 1/2 inch wrench. After looking at it, I can actually keep these on. The only thing I have to do is I have to drill out this perforated hole right here. The only thing is I don't have nothing to do that right now, so I'll do this at the end of the video. Now that all the bolts are tightened and the passenger side is done too, the only difference was you have this windshield washer hose a little bit in the way, not too bad though. The last thing I need to do, I need to remove this hood rod. Let's see what it looks like with the covers back on. And just like that, the covers are back on. Now what I did have to do is I had to take my jigsaw and an X-Acto knife and cut these out. That side didn't turn out nearly as bad as this side. I took a little bit too much out here, but oh well. So what do you guys think of the shocks? I think it gives it a much cleaner look, but let me know what you think down in the comments below. And don't forget, I'm gonna be doing a Show Off Your Builds Volume 3. Now this is just straight video, no pictures. So if you wanna send me your submission, send them to me on Instagram at 717_project, or you can shoot them to me by email, miller4021@verizon.net. You must have your submissions in by March 5th. That is it, that is the deadline. I will not take any more after that. And then all of you viewers, you're gonna leave a comment on that video telling me which one you like the most, and whoever has the most votes will win a $100 gift card. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. And as always, this was your boy Miller. I'll actually see you here very shortly. I just put new fog lights in blue.